So there is one scene that in the last episode I haven't spoken about, and that is a scene when Selegu comes to Mzumbe, and he is coming to see Ulwandle because Ulwandle decided that he was going to go and leave Mzumbe. I don't want to lie, you guys. I feel like Lwandle arrived just to shoot the scene. I really feel like that. And immediately after the scene, they left. And they were sitting in the veranda, never went inside. So I might be wrong about that. I might be proven wrong in the next episodes. But I feel like that. I'm not convinced yet that Ulwandle really lives in Zumbe. Because one of the reasons is that I don't think any of those girls want to go and live in Zumbe. I don't think so. I think they like the idea of marrying the Mseleko boys, but I do not think that they want to go live in Zumbe. But again, I'm open to be proven wrong with that one. So Mseleko arrives, and it really is that thing that Make was saying, where she was saying sometimes, even though they are doing a reality shows, but sometimes they do things that they wouldn't normally do if they were not shooting the show. Because guys, like, which father will drive all the way from from Sea Park to Mzumbe to meet their son's girlfriend and talk about her pregnancy? And I don't know. I just at that scene, yeah, but I was like, okay, I guess he has to shoot a scene with Ulwandle, and I thought it would be a good idea for him to meet a girlfriend. I did ask, was it here on YouTube? I think I did that video on Facebook where I was asking guys, those who have fathers, do fathers really when you are pregnant, do they ask questions? How far are you? Who's the father? What like Kumsele was asking was nay. Did you tell him how far along are you? How are you? Why are you giving birth at 6 months when you're supposed to be? Is it this father or is it that father? Do fathers ask that? And some people said yes, when they were pregnant, their fathers did ask them. And I was honestly asking because I mean I don't have a father. And like I do have a father, he's with the Lord. Now, with almost I'm saying like the interaction for me, I think it was cringy. Also because Lengane Lezama 2000 as now Amahloni, eh like Umseleko goes there, shakes her hand, she's sitting down, shaking his hand, and he is talking to Ulwandle, she's answering, and then he's asking, it's okay, so ingane yethu le, she's like, sizobona nge-DNA. Angazi, guys, I know that somebody commented something interesting when they said sometimes we expect our kids to behave the way that we behaved when we actually don't teach them to behave like us. Like nobody is teaching them ukuthi umuntu omdala maye ekubingelela ekuxhawula uyasukuma and ukhombisa inhlonipho uxhawula. Asibafundisi lezo zinto lezo. If umuntu omdala ehleli phansi ekhuluma nawe, then you must also sit down. Asibafundisi lezo zinto lezo, but uma ukhuluma nomuntu omdala, you don't just look at them in the eye like that. Like it's like Tina, we were taught those things growing up, but Tina, we are expecting them to behave like that, but we the parents are not teaching them. And I thought about it and I was like, yeah, because there are so many things engazifundisanga about. It's like other things were more important than certain things. And then bebadala, sometimes I have to correct certain things and then I have to think, but did I ever teach them that? So angazi, guys, interaction there, even the interaction ka Lwandle's baby mama with Umacele, and also now with Umselig, it's becoming more and more weird. And honestly, when I saw Lwandla's girlfriend, I thought the girlfriend is beautiful, you guys. I thought the girlfriend is beautiful. But there were people that were saying no, she's not. For me, it's very difficult to look at somebody and say this person is not beautiful. So And I felt like they kind of suit each other, Benolwandle, because I felt like if she's quiet, Nolwandle quiet, it might not work. But kunale nto ukuthi phela kodwa your father-in-law avele uphaphe. Angazi guys, that meeting for me was a little bit weird. Now it's almost like they wanted to create a picture that Lwandle and the girlfriend live in Mzumbe. And I did wonder, you guys, but you know, her parents would allow her to live in Mzumbe just because she's pregnant. Um, that was weird. Also, when Seleko was living and he said, "Let me live with Lwandle," and Lwandle was leaving the girl there in veranda. The girl is like, "Ungishiyelani lana, nami ngiyahamba," and then they get in the van, they drive off. That is the part that made me feel like they just came to shoot the scene. They don't actually leave Mzumbe. Because if they really do live Mzumbe, both of them, I would be really surprised that the parents of the girl would allow that, or they're thinking velu sekhulelwe, so why shouldn't we? Yeah, I want to see more interaction between Lanta and his girlfriend to see really like, okay, are they okay? And he also didn't sound like he wanted to rush things, because his father was talking about, now that you're pregnant, now we are going to go see your family and all of that, and kukhokhwe kube njani. And Ulwandle was like, dad really likes to rush things. And I felt like Lwandle is young. This girl might just have fallen pregnant, but it's not like he felt like this is the love of my life. But now that she's pregnant, Umseleko is just going to push. Do you remember how much Umseleko pushed for Mpumelelo and Vuyo? Because he said he wanted Vuyo's kids to grow up Kamseleko. So I think even with Ulwandle, if that child, if the DNA is positive, he's going to push for it. But it did not sound like Ulwandle is excited about that. So this is going to be an interesting storyline. Also, I think it will be interesting if she makes it to Ingane's chamber, because we're going to see them interact maybe a little bit more without the parents. Even though Umseliku is gonna find a way to go to appear on Ingane's table, even though we've just watched him, and but he does make appearances on Ingane's temple, and sometimes some of the wives make it to Ingane's temple. So, but mina, I just wanna see interaction kaLwandle and this girl, kungekho muntu, when it's just the two of them, and see how they are with each other. For me to even be able to have an opinion of what is this a good girl. So far, I'm like, yeah, it's okay, you know. And when she was talking to myself, she wasn't saying anything bad. It was just like, hey, abantwana bethu, hayi bayaphapha kodwa, hayi bafoward shame. Kodwa nathi asibafundisanga ukungabi forward. Yes, you guys. So I still feel good about that relationship. And I'm still really hoping that it's Lwandle's baby, because I feel like it will break Lwandle. This is not the first time that somebody says that they're having his baby. And then Macele said the first time it did not work out. So obviously, if this doesn't work out, it will be another one. So I'm just hoping that it is Lwandle's baby, and that Macele finally gets that grandchild uh, that she has been looking to have. Anyways, you guys, tell me what you think about the interaction ka Lwandle's girlfriend with his father and him as well. Anyway, thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.